Hi, Sushma.
Hello, ma'am. Good,
How are
good
you?
afternoon. I'm fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm good, Sushma. Okay, this is Aruna from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback from your side, Sushma. Before starting that, first of all, congrats for your placements. Yeah, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
So, all about your introduction, Sushma. So, about your earlier studies, your hometown.
Okay. My name is Sushma and have completed my BA in Atria Institute of Technology and I'm 2021 passed out. I stay in Bangalore with my parents and I know SketchUp and AutoCAD. I've been trained professionally in the CMTI itself. And now I have completed my course and also got placed in a corporate company through CMTI.
Okay, so how did you get to know about CMTI, Sushma?
So I got to know about CMTI through Google as well as from my teachers in my college. Since we have a tie-up, I signed MOU with a college, so I got to know about this.
Okay, so what and all you learned in CMTI apart from your syllabus? So what was new thing you learned in CMTI, Sushma?
In college, it was only about the theoretical part, not a professional way. Here, I learned about US, BOQ, BTS, which were not taught in our curriculum that perfectly. It was taught in a way like what site, what the site requirement or what industry needs, and also I learned about interiors, which was never taught in college. Uh, this are some of the special things which I learned here, and also, as I said before, they even trained us on AutoCAD as well as SketchUp.
Okay, so what and all softwares you learned, Sushma?
Softwares like AutoCAD and SketchUp, and apart from that, even few site visits were arranged, like site visit as well as even visits for experience centers like Design Cafe, Homeland was also done. It was pretty good to know what actually going on in our site.
Okay, so how was your site visits and all? Whether it was only the construction or both interiors?
Site visit was on construction, as I said. For designing aspects, we were sent to experience centers to learn about it. So in site, it was like whatever we learned about aspects like how the construction process goes on, starting from the foundation till the handing process. That's what we learned from the site visits.
Okay, so how was your interview process and all, Sushma? How did you crack the interview?
Interview was like even CMT has also trained us on how to crack the interviews. It was like how we present in ourselves in an interview. Interview was also pretty good, easy. It was easy only. But the main thing is that we need to know the some of the technicalities to crack it, as well as we need an attitude to crack that interview.
Okay, so how was the trainer's approach, Sushma, while the courses and all? Whether they
Trainers
were
approach
giving
was
you
really good. If we have doubts, we could have asked them. We can ask them n number of times. They used to clear our doubts, and they were pretty friendly. And they were like sometimes it was like a spoon feeding us. They were spoon feeding us to make us understand what the concept actually is about.
okay. Then what about staffs? How was their coordination, entire process?
Even they have coordinated really good. Like as you said, Anand, we know that starting from joining till the ending process, if we have any doubts or if we need any notes, we used to ask them, and even that other staffs like Monica ma'am, and they were all with us whenever we need them.
Okay. So, like, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Sushma?
I would suggest my friends to join this institute because uh, what I feel, I had all positive vibes in this things. like starting from the joining till the end. I learned many things in this institute, so I would suggest them to join before they lose their opportunity.
Okay. Yeah, thank you, Sushma. Thanks
Thank you.
for your good feedback. I wish all the best for your future, and once again,
Thank you, ma'am.
congrats for your placement, Sushma. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.